Your Majesty, Your Excellencies, Chair of ASEAN, Excellencies, ASEAN leaders, Excellency the President of the Republic of Timor-Leste, Excellency Secretary General of the United Nations, Excellency President of the European Union, Excellency President of Brazil, Excellency the President of Republic South Africa, Excellencies, guests of the Chair, National Parliament, the members of the National Parliament of Timor-Leste here, Excellency Secretary General of ASEAN, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Today, history is made. Timor-Leste has been admitted as the 11th member state of ASEAN. For the people of Timor-Leste, this is not only a dream realized, but a powerful affirmation of our journey. One marked by resilience, determination, and hope. For ASEAN, it is the continuation of a vision, a truly united family of nations, bound together by shared values, common aspirations, and collective destiny. On behalf of the government and people of Timor-Leste, I extend our deepest gratitude to all ASEAN member states, to the ASEAN Chair, the ASEAN Secretariat, and our dialogue partners. Your trust, encouragement, and unwavering solidarity have made this historic day possible. Our path to membership has been long and purposeful. Since we applied in 2011, we have prepared our institutions, reformed our policies, and strengthened our readiness, guided by the wisdom, support, and patience of ASEAN and its partners. Our accession is a testament to the spirit of our people, a young democracy born from struggle, now embracing a new era of collaboration and growth within one of the world's most dynamic regions. Today, ASEAN reaffirms its vitality and its inclusivity. Timor-Leste joins with humility and with pride, fully embracing the core values of ASEAN: mutual respect, peaceful cooperation, unity in diversity, and regional solidarity. We see ASEAN membership as both as natural affiliation, rooted in our culture and geography, and a strategic imperative for our nation's future. Timor-Leste enters ASEAN with full commitment to its charter, ready to be a constructive, peaceful, and devoted member. We pledge to work with all member states to keep our region peaceful, open, and prosperous, and to be part of efforts to build resilience, deepen unity, and ensure that no one is left behind. For Timor-Leste, this new beginning brings immense opportunities in trade, investment, education, and the digital economy. We are ready to learn, to innovate, and to uphold good governance, strengthening our institutions as we walk together toward sustainable development. This is not the end of a journey. This is the beginning of an inspiring new chapter. Together, we will advance the ASEAN Community Vision 2045, a peaceful, prosperous, resilient, and people-centered ASEAN, with Timor-Leste as an active contributor. On this day of pride and celebration, I speak not only as a Prime Minister on behalf of the President of the Republic of Timor-Leste and all Timorese people, but now as a fellow member of ASEAN family. Thank you very, very much.
And